Hi, fourth grade. This is your science for this week. We are doing a fun STEM activity. You are going to be creating your own marble raceway. So the items you will need the marble that was in your first supply packet. There was a marble. You need the paper plate that was in your packet. You need construction paper that you should have already because it was on the supply list. You need scissors and tape. So I'll go through that again. You need the marble, you need the paper plate, you need the construction paper, you need tape, and you need scissors. And you can probably grab a Sharpie, okay? All right, so what you are going to do, this is your base. You are going to use this. This is going to be a maze or a raceway that you create, okay? Have you ever played those games in your hand where you have the little pinball and it's in your hand and you have to get the pin through all of the different obstacles? That's what you're gonna do on here. You are going to use your construction paper and you are going to create loops and a maze and a raceway for this. You're gonna have a starting line and a finish line, okay? You can have starting line here, finish line here, starting line here, finish line here. Anywhere on the rim can be the start and the finish, okay? You can color your paper plate. You can decorate it. You can cut it with scissors. You need to cut pieces of paper out from your construction paper and you're gonna make little loops. So you're gonna cut the construction paper and you're gonna create little loops for your marble to go through so you can create obstacles for it, okay? So I'm gonna take my construction paper like this. I'm gonna put it like this so it's a little loop like so. Then I'm gonna take my tape, put it down, and I have a little loop or a little tunnel that my marble has to go through. So create different obstacles like that. You need a minimum of 3 little loops. Minimum. So that means do more, okay? Do more than what's asked and what's expected, okay? So you are going to create this marble raceway. You are going to try and see how easy or difficult your maze and raceway is. It's all about trying again, all right? It's great if everything goes smoothly and perfect. That might not happen for all of us, and that's okay. Part of being a scientist is thinking about how I can make it better. What can I change to solve the problem? How can I solve this problem? You have a hypothesis, I say, I think this is gonna work. Then you experiment it, and then you determine if it worked or if it can be tweaked, if it can be made better. That's part of being an awesome scientist. So this is your foundation. You're gonna create minimum of 3 obstacles. So the little tunnels with your construction paper, and you need to have a line to show where you need to go. So from start, it needs to go here, and then through here, and then through. So you have to show where the marble needs to start, where it needs to go on the board, and then where it finishes, okay? So start, finish, obstacles in between. This can be an easy raceway or a difficult raceway. It's how you want to design and create it, alrighty? So let me know if you have any questions. Now, when I'm grading your work, and myself and Mrs. Soria, and we return the work back to you, we always write comments on the bottom of it for you to fix the work that you turned in. You need to always write in complete and detailed sentences. I don't want to see 1st and 2nd grade sentences. You are in 4th grade. They need to be strong and powerful and mighty sentences. You need to use adjectives. You need to describe what you did in the project. You need to make Mrs. Soria and I feel like we were right there with you. What did you do first? What problems did you run into? How did you solve the problems? Was this easy? Why was it easy? Was it difficult? Why was it difficult? You need to ask or answer the why part, okay? Part of being in 4th grade is building those sentences so they can be amazing and fabulous, okay? We don't want to just do and send it in. okay? I want you to take your time so you can do it correctly the first time. You have more time to do the things you enjoy if you do it correctly the first time, okay? All right, I'm looking forward to seeing how this all worked for you. I'm excited to see your creations, and I hope you have fun. Bye, guys.